Perplexity is great for researching content on the internet, but you can actually use Perplexity without it reading any content or article from the internet. So it will be an answer from the AI training data, which is quite interesting, and it will give you the pure power of pure answer from AI, and also the performance is a lot faster. So here's how you can do it, and there are two methods that you can try. Okay, I'm gonna be using this prompt, and basically I want to ask AI about what is the latest video from the MrBeast channel. And here you can use any model, it doesn't really matter actually. And after that, you can click this icon and disable the web search. So that's the first method. It's quite simple, just disable everything, and then you can send the message to Perplexity and just wait for this AI tool to give you the answer. And by the way, I was using a reasoning model, and it might take a bit more time to finish. Okay, there you go. So this is the answer. It says that I don't have access to current information about MrBeast. My knowledge is limited to early 2024. So right now, today is June 2025, and it has no idea about the latest video from the channel, which is a correct assessment. It doesn't know anything about that because, again, it has no real-time information. So that was the first method. The second method is a bit more challenging to use, but I kept finding myself using that feature a lot more. So I'm going to create a new thread, and I'm going to be using the same prompt again, and also the same AI model. And here, I'm not going to disable the web search. You can still keep it running, keep the web search enabled. And let's send them this button. And basically after that, you have to click the skip gathering resources button very, very quickly before it is reading anything. So it's a bit challenging, but it's actually doable. So let me click this button. And let's click this button. There you go. I basically just skip the research process, even though there is this keyword, but it is not able to get some info from website, and it is not able to give me the latest information or the latest video from the channel. So that was the second method, and that's basically all that you can do to make Perplexity not reading any content from the internet to give you the answer. So I hope you find this video to be useful, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a